Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaican actor Clive Duncan is dead. The esteemed actor, who was famous for his role as Drapus Upton on the iconic JBC television series Lime Tree Lane, reportedly died from cancer on Thursday. He was 57 years old. Speaking with E-Prime, fellow Lime Tree Lane actor Christopher Johnny Daly expressed sadness at the passing of Duncan.
Very saddened to hear of Clive Duncan's passing. He was a very decent human being, somebody who I definitely emulated in terms of his calmness and his demeanor, always smiling, very hardworking. This man would put 100% in any role that he was given to play.
Clive Duncan, who also starred in several pantomimes, is known for his other roles as Jean-Pierre on the popular soap opera Royal Palm Estate and Mr. Don Paper on Paul Beal's Joint Tenants. E-Prime expresses gratitude for Clive Duncan's contribution to the screen and stage and offers condolences to his family. Now, Buju Banton gets the gold treatment. Grammy-winning artist Buju Banton yesterday received a gold certification from the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA, for his album Till Shiloh at a live ceremony shown on Buju Banton's YouTube channel. The event, which marked the first time the Gargamel received a certification from the RIAA, also saw Buju Banton sharing that he experienced challenges releasing the album.
We didn't anticipate some of the pushback and some of the things that came our way when the record was finished. You know, in fact, it was actually blacklisted, and we were denied a lot of good things musically.
Till Shiloh, which reached the RIAA gold certification by selling 500,000 units, is the only RIAA certified reggae album in the past year. Released on July 18 back in 1995 on Loose Cannon Island Records, the iconic Till Shiloh album will celebrate 25 years tomorrow. Now it's Full House at Fame Frequency. This Saturday night, DJs and cast members of the popular Full House Fridays on Fame 95 FM takes over the party. The Captain Colin Hines, DJ Kevin, DJ Narrative, DJ Franco and DJ Wizkid will offer musical greatness on the wheels of steel at Fame Frequency Full House, along with a special dance showcase by Orville Expressions and Shoy. The blazing event will be live on Fame 95 FM, RETV and of course OneSpotMedia.com. Party with us in Zoom VIP area and use the Fame Frequency hashtag to party online across all the major social media platforms. See you this Saturday night at 9 p.m. on RETV and 10:45 p.m. right here on TVJ for Fame Frequency, the Full House edition. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.